Today I'm gonna show you how to come up with your own facial and body scrub. Okay, this is something you love, and I'll show you how to come up with your own scrub. Okay, just make sure you watch this video till the end. Watch this video till the end. This ain't Texas, ain't no hope. I love being your love. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thanks so much for joining. My name is Carrie Yvonne, and here we talk about skincare lifestyle. We make sure you stay fit, healthy, and we make sure you're looking the best version of yourself. So, and this is why you're here. Why not go ahead, hit that bell that says subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. So today I'm gonna come up with this natural sugar scrub, which is really gonna change the look of your skin. Sugar and coffee scrub together, guess what? It's a bomb. So far, I want to go ahead to show you how I'll come up with this coffee scrub. So these are the ingredients right here. I'm gonna go ahead to measure the oil and to show you how we do it. So I went ahead and measured my mango butter first. Yeah, there are two types of mango butters that I used here. Well, because I want it to be extra moisturized and to really glow your skin. So I used the bush mango butter and also the normal mango butter that's common everywhere. Yeah, and so I went ahead to measure these ingredients. I didn't want the video to be so long. Here, this is my cocoa butter, this is my kokum butter, e-wax, beeswax, coconut oil. And so I went ahead to add my oils as well, your olive oil, and also you need to add, olive oil. You can add any other oil of your choice, but I went ahead to add these oils, avocado oil. So guys, this scrub needs to moisturize your skin. Remember, this is winter and you can actually use the scrub on your skin, your face, especially for those who have dry skins. Now my oils have melted. Everything has been melted and incorporated together. You need to cool it down for a while. And while it's cooling down, you need to make sure you add your vitamin E and also your preservative. Yes, preservative, because this scrub is going to probably be in your bathroom and water is going to get into it. So you need to preserve it. And also, I went ahead to add my brown sugar. I used two kinds of brown sugar here, the raw one and the natural one. So this is what I used. So this sugar is really not really fine, so I went ahead to sieve it along the process. So I add two different types of sugar here, brown sugar here, and also yeah, you can see a cup, 2 cups of sugar. So that's my brown sugar that you can see right there. I got it from Costco. So if you want to get some, you can as well go ahead and get. This is it was really bumpy, guys, and I feel like I can't use it this way. I have to sieve it out and to make sure that everything is smooth so that you get the best consistency into your scrub. So I advise you to sieve your sugar. Usually in China we have brown sugar. The brown sugars are always like this, so you need to make sure that you actually sieve it and make sure it's smooth so you can use it easily, or you can easily mix it. So that's me trying to measure everything up. I tried my best to make sure that this could go without me sieving, but hey, no, it can't work. This scrub is actually going to moisturize your skin. It's going to treat acne. If you have dry skin, then be sure that your skin will be really moisturized after using the scrub. It works well with our black soap. You can go ahead and purchase our black soap while using this. And so it's gonna help to treat and fade out those dark spots as well. And if you're having
any back acne, or if you're having any skin disease, know that this scrub will definitely help you throughout the process, and it's gonna leave your skin radiant and glowing as well. So you don't want to miss this out. So that's my coffee that I'm measuring. We need coffee. Coffee is really good for your skin as well. It's gonna help for cellulite. So guys, measuring my coffee right here and making sure everything is really great. So remember, these ingredients are organic ingredients. Yeah, I don't joke with it. I get it from the supermarket and it must be really organic. Yeah, no matter how expensive it might be, but then we need the best. So, and I use the best on my skin. I don't joke with it, no playing. So I went ahead to add another exfoliant, which is definitely our walnut shell. Yeah, so walnut shell powder is also a very great exfoliant. So I went ahead, added all everything, incorporated it. So guys, you need it. If you've watched some of my videos, you realize how I have used my walnut shell powder in my videos, especially for my scrubs, my facial scrubs. Yeah, you need it. It's very great on the skin. So went ahead, added, yeah, because I already have a brown sugar and I already have coffee, but you know, I just love my scrub to be really extra and really great. So it's optional. If you don't want to add it, then that's okay. So I went ahead to add another cup of scrub, guys. So just want it to be super great. Okay, so that's it. So went ahead, measured everything, making sure we keep the consistency. So you need to measure your solids or your exfoliants in a different bowl. Okay, don't just put everything together. So I went ahead to sieve it. Yeah, so I sieved it, and this was time. Remember, you need to start adding it before your oil cools down, because if it's so cold, then definitely it will be so hard for you to go ahead and mix. So went ahead and I was mixing, stirring, but you know, you need a whipper or a whisker, or you know, you need to stir it up. You can't do it by yourself, you can't do it with your hands. You need a whisk. Okay, so you need it. So I went ahead to make sure that everything is well incorporated, and I had to switch the bowls so you can see properly what I'm doing, because if I had to use that one, then you won't actually see everything. So that's what happened. I went ahead to switch the bowls, making sure you see everything that I'm doing. Everywhere was just messed up. Oh my goodness, the sugar and the sugar and actually the coffee messed up my whole environment. So that's me adding preservative. You need to add your preservatives, guys. If you want the scrub to last for so long, then you definitely need to add preservative to it. And so that's me trying to rest. So you know, you need to whip it like it's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. So take a look at how I'm whipping it, and the color is changing. I took my time to show you this so that you understand that, hey, this could actually change and look beautiful, you know. So I kept whipping and whipping until I got my consistency. So you need to put in the work. That's all you have to do at this moment. Just put in the work, keep doing it, keep whipping it until you see that everything is so great. The consistency is amazing, and trust me, you won't regret it. So guys, this is how we do it. And take a look at this right now. I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's probably okay at this moment. So I had to pull everything aside, and yeah, after whipping it for about 30 minutes. So this is what it turned out to be, really thick. You could actually keep whipping, but guys, this is okay. Yeah, our scrub is good to go. It's definitely good to go, so you don't want to miss to try this out. So you can order this scrub from me on WeChat. Yeah, and I'm definitely gonna gift it out during the season. So it was time for packaging, and yeah, this is it. So I had to package. This is literally our scrub. I'm done mixing everything. Okay, so I'm done whipping, and this time around I'm gonna package it. Please bear with me. Let's go ahead and package my scrub. Alright guys, let's go. So this is it. So I have to package it very fast, okay? And you know, please make sure that your bottles are well sterilized. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed every process, and I hope you're gonna try it out. So guys, if you need it, just DM me and I'll send it to you. And you can as well get this as a gift from me, Christmas gift. Okay, just keep following me and then you'll receive this as a gift. All right guys, from my love to yours, I just want to say thank you so much. God bless you. Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.